Hello, how are you? Alphonse again. Today I am with MKK Commercials. MKK Commercial is one of the greatest company in UAE where they do business setup and they do support for business opening branches in UAE. And I have already took an appointment of the manager of MKK Commercial, Mr. Hamad. After a long time I got the appointment because he was a lot of he's a very big busy person. At last I got the appointment and here he is with me today. So I will show him and he has something to say about how the business works and how the things are going on. So there are a lot of things there they provide as the service, like business setup, and also if you want to open a branch, and also any supports to do the business and certificate attestations. A lot of things. So better Mr. Ahmed will be explaining that one. So I will focus the camera to him. Yeah. Okay, sir. So tell me something about how are you doing?
Yeah, fine. Thank you very much.
Thank you for so much for your appointment.
Most welcome, Alfonso. Yeah. Actually, see, basically, MKK facility, MKK, we have a group of companies, but I will talk about MKK Commercial Brokers.
Fine.
MKK Commercial Brokers, we are in the business from the last 15 years at least.
Okay.
What are our main core of business is, when people come here, Dubai is a happening city in the world. Lots of people come here to try their luck, and it's very easy to do business here. But even then, when they are coming here, they are very new. They need to know a lot of legal matters to open a business. So they want always to have somebody who can help them to go to this transition. So this is main business. So what we do when a client comes to us, we ask what he wants, and if we are in a position to give him some business idea, like if he has some raw idea, we can polish the idea, and we go through all the documents procedure here, from the providing of the local sponsor, court matters, and signing of the memorandum, and office space and everything, whatever he needs it, depending upon the nature of the business. Some people goes to the commercial side, some goes to the industrial side. So we do all the businesses. And in Dubai and UAE especially, we have two type of license. One is called the mainline, which is mainline means it is not a free zone. The other ones are free zone. Free zone where you don't need to have a local sponsor. You can have your 100% ownership company. And in the mainland, you need to have a local sponsor if you are looking for a LLC company. So we can handle all these type of license activities, business setups
in mainland and also
in the free zone as well. Yes. And we do a lot of consultancy. Basically, we have to understand a client has come. He is new here, so he needs somebody who can he trust.
Of course.
This is the main thing. He's new, he don't know anything here.
Once he comes inside,
so basically our strength is to build a relationship which is based on trust, which can go all the way. It's not that once business is done, finished, because later on he needs to have more things, more services, like sometime he needs to have a visas, any other matters, adding partners, or removing partners, or sponsorship, or adding some business, or maybe his business, or business is his business is expanding.
Opening a branch over here.
Yes, opening a branch. Whatever in business related things we are providing.
Yes, that's a great thing. So also you have discussed something about the attestation of the certificates. That what is that?
Yes, that is lot of people comes here, and they got there are two type of jobs are there basically characterized. One is a white collar, one is a blue collar job. When there is a white collar job, in white collar job mostly you need to have a certain level of education. These education degrees that need a proper attestation for the purpose of proceeding of their visas. So what we do, we can handle from India, UK, USA, all the document attestation, because there are a lot of steps are there. Ministry of Foreign Affairs attestation in India, notary public,
Okay.
and magistrate level. From there it is finished, then it has to come here, and here Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Same thing is UK and USA. So all type of documents,
Okay.
we handle it.
Okay.
We do their attestation.
Okay.
So once the attestation is done, they can have these documents and proceed for their further visa process.
Fine, fine.
Yeah, we are expert in this.
You're
one,
expert in this. Yeah.
Plus, once people have their own visa done, so they have their family which are dependents on them for their wife and kids. Then there are different documents, marriage certificate, some personal other documents they have it for their dependent. For
Okay.
their visas to
Okay,
be,
okay.
processed.
Okay.
So that documents also
You're doing.
we are handling
Doing,
it.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's a part of attestation. So other than that, MKK Commercial have group of companies, right?
Yeah.
You are doing IT and also construction. Is there anything like?
We have group of companies mean like commercial broker. We have MKK Information Technology. We have MKK Facility Management. So different
Different things are
entities
there.
are there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So more, but here I am for the most
Commercial
commercial brokers, like starting the business and all.
Yeah.
So it's a very good, it's a very good thing which helping. It's a great help also, because even for me when I come to UAE, it was so difficult to understand because the geographically
Yeah, everybody.
because everything who is having business in other countries.
Whoever comes and outside the airport first time,
Yeah, it's fully blank.
from hiring the cab to reaching the destination is
So
all
it's-
new experience.
it's new, it's new, yeah.
So,
So-
some people come,
And moreover,
Yeah.
it's a fact like the trust.
Yeah,
Anything, okay. Even if we have reference, like if somebody
Yeah, of
asking,
course, yeah.
we can have, okay, we can reach this place, okay, understand.
Yes.
But starting a business means we are spending money and the license, the law.
Yes, you're right, yeah.
Moreover, the law of UAE.
Yes, law
because
is there,
so
yeah.
many people coming from the even other countries, like especially India and also
Yeah.
European countries, because the law-
language sometimes, because all the official government is Arabic language, and there all the fees are documented. Only thing is like who's the service provider, like whatever it is there. We can talk about this one, but all the fees, all everything is all documented.
Yes, yes.
So basically it is how smoothly somebody can take this matter, how smoothly and how quick.
Yes, yes,
This is the our goal is like that only.
Yes.
Because after being in this business since long time, it is very important to carry your reputation
Yep.
further.
Yes, yes.
And though competition is there, but if you are giving a good service, people come and they refer it also.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that is a key to success of any business, I would say.
business.
Yeah.
So that was it. Like it was a very great thing. Like you given me a time for us to understand the things and all.
Yeah.
So if you want anything to know about the business and also starting any business, anything, just ask. You can ask the number below, and also for the attestation of the certificates, everything we are providing so much of services. So keep it going. Thank you so much.
Yeah. It was pleasure to have you here.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, most welcome. Most
Thank you.
welcome.
Thank you
very
so
much.
much.
Thank you very much.